Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPCL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right there, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I have done this analysis before. It's been a few days since the last analysis, but that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. So not to state the obvious today, but a very, very nice day, and now there's quite a few updates here that need to be made. First I'm going to do is a little house cleaning. Yes, this line down here still pertains, but given that where the price is now, kind of irrelevant at this point, so I don't want to run the risk of having 8 million annotations everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion. So with that, just kind of want to get rid of a few of these lines. And the next updates here just are based off of foundational rules in charting, which state when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So first level here is that 0058 was a level of resistance, but now that the price is above it, this is what I would call the ideal level of support, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can continue to maintain up above 0058, that would make the chart look super powerful. But by no means am I saying that if the price drops below 0058 that everything's ruined or anything like that. Not saying that at all. Just saying that best case scenario, if the price can hold above there, that would be a very good sign of strength. Other area that has now been established as support, again, previous level of resistance there at 005, but now that the price is above it, this would be the level of support that I'm not going to call it a must-hold level, but it's one that you really do want to see hold. I mean, the last thing you want to see the price is drop back to that range where it already was, right? So if the price drops down here, bounces around and then heads back up, even at that point in time, this set of lows would still be well above this set down there. And if you picture each of those as stair steps, well, I mean, the stair steps would still be going in the upwards direction. So to me, again, 005, not a must hold level, but definitely one of those that you want to see hold, just because you don't want to see the price, start to backtrack. You want to see the price make continued progress forward. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these next battlegrounds at? This is pretty straightforward. The party essentially stopped right up here at the 0065 range. So 0064, 0065, right around there is going to be, the current and key level of resistance going into tomorrow. So we'll see what happens with that. But no doubt about it, very, very nice way to start off the week. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.